We're in Central Otago, Alexandra. I come from a whānau that was big into gardening. I would love to see more and more whānaus growing. When I was a kid, I was always pushed into the garden with my mum and father, and being a kid you weren't that interested. But also learnt a lot from my own whānau about gardening. Yeah, they're set up to establish kai for whānau who are struggling. Kai come out of here goes to the Salvation Army to distribute it out through whānau who are going through difficult times and who need kai. We also set some of these gardens up for ourselves for teaching people how to grow kai, get them interested in growing kai. Yeah, just teach people about growing their own to sustain themselves. I bring a family in, they help me plant, and then they take some of that kai home, harvest some of the kai to take home to themselves, and to have a big interest in doing that. I do a bit of mentoring still, so through that mentoring I bring the young tamariki up here to get them interested in the gardens and give me a hand, to just to pull weeds and to water. The kamatuas, they just like to still have their hand in the gardens, and it gives them some satisfaction just to get out there and just grow vegetables for themselves, and it gives me a good time to go up there and help them out, as well.
The garden they put in for me, which Alva has to run himself because I'm too lazy to put the water on it. It's getting there though, they're starting to heart up now, so it won't be too far away. Silver beet and everything, he's got everything going. He brings me veggies from other people, wouldn't he? Yeah, he gets given, so he brings them to me, and I love soup and that, so I do them all up. Yeah, it's just in support mainly. They're very supportive of everything.
If a whānau can grow their own kai, they can nurture their own family, so hence what is important about Kōanga Kai is to grow their own vegetables and sustainability.